Menteri Rang Bak Jela Konrad Kisangma hasil balai jong tayo ulapan bena bak sarkar jela hau benai Lber kan sapenlong ya kata masa kebahe bah jela kabala tip umka Meghalayan Age Festival ban penya yo ya ke jela kum kawe ni ki jaka jongok kai perthai bapau ban kring ye kinong sangkai perthai na keleng ki jaka ya kani kata masa on penlong haki knai singi ha thatlasken ha ka district West Jainti Hills.
Menteri Rang Bak Kejelau lepen benai kini hak kejingnya kenduk begilat patai kubur ha hotel Pinewood Shillong. Habis itu bak sorkar jela kelabo eka mang tengka bakot sau point lai kelur tengka ban penlut na kebenta kini kata masa. Itu bak kini kata masa kan sedang naruk kanyo terik ubenai Lber bat kan kot haka katsan terik ubenai Lber. Bat ka kamrung krem kandai kawe ni kejing penbernya bah kamat kabandon hakane kata masa nalor kiwe bakentup eka glamping hot air balloon hiking karensan ya teme put bat kejing penina me kejing long tenrai ha pedeng ne kata masa kan sadon ru ka National Conclave on Tourism kabalai sngi ha kabala khot sngo bha banwane shim bentar kinong mi kmat kilal patai kubor ke bayak jau shabar kari ki social media bat kinong kitin siem na keleng kiri ki banra eka khana jong jela shakiri jongki Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulah pentip bagi Menteri Kesorkar Pedengru kinsawan baneshim bentah kini ka conclave bakentup yo Menteri Bekemi ya ka Kamjung Okai Perthai Pralat Singh Patel Menteri Khana Katana Development of North Eastern Region Dr. Jitendra Singh Menteri Khana Kesorkar Pedeng Bekemi ya Katana Delakai Kiren Rijiju nalor ki Menteri Rang Bak ni ki jela baper ha kabedai bat kajing sier ya kajing pang coronavirus Menteri Rang Bak uli itu bak sorkar kan sasyam ya borok gilat jeng yada bat kijing betha jang ke World Health Organization bat jang ke sorkar India ban pentikina bagi nong wan jeng okai perthai gibuan nabar kin ombok jeng ma ya kejela.
It is a very serious concern and I don't think the government should, and I'm going to assure you we will not take it lightly. Obviously all the medical procedures that need to be followed, emergency procedures that need to be followed, prescribed by Government of India and by WHO and by our own health department will be followed in the process to ensure that no such threat is there to any of the tourists coming in. That's number one. Number two, also already at a global level there are different mechanisms that have been set in place to ensure that people from the affected areas and districts of the affected countries are not allowed to travel this side. So there are already measures that have been put in place. So obviously those measures also will have an impact. I doubt we will have any people coming in from the affected areas because I don't think they'll be able to come out also. You know, they're quarantined and all. But it's a good question and I think it's very important. I think all measures and precautions need to be taken. So therefore, I can assure you and the tourists who want to come in and the people that we will ensure that all safety mechanisms are in place.
Menteri Rang Bak Kejelah kini kesini ulapan benaru bak sorkar jela kalapan krek mentah ban pentrai kam ya ke externally aided project kabakot nyo spa kelur tengka na ke bentah ban kentiu ya ke kam jung okai ha ke jela bad kini ke project on bay tengka na ke bricks bank ha kini ki benai banwan uli itu bak kini ke project kalong tek na ke bentah ban kentiu ke kam jung okai ha ke jela kam tam da ke bapai kemat akitan nung kendong Namar kaniu itu bagi sorkar jela kalau kot ngobhai kinong mi kemat jong ke BRICS Bank ke World Bank bat ke Asian Development Bank syaka tamasa Meghalayan Age bakin saki ke spa jong ke jela haki kam jong okai perthai.
So different banks and different financial institutions like the World Bank, like the ADB, like the BRIC banks, we decided that maybe we should invite them so they can see what's happening in Meghalaya. So they can also have confidence in the future to build up on different projects that they are funding already in Meghalaya. So we have got confirmation that the World Bank head of India will be attending this particular program. And in this particular aspect, and we have got World Bank projects happening in the road sector right now. About 1,000 crores of works are in the process of being tendered out. At the same time, we have got an EAP, an externally aided project through the BRIC Bank, which is going to be most probably sanctioned in a few months from now, and already it's in principle it has been cleared, and this is a project on tourism. So we are inviting them also to come and see what the prospect is, so that they can have the confidence that the project that they are going to sanction for us, which is a project amounting to close to about 700 crores, is going to be cleared by the BRIC for tourism especially, and this will be a lot focused on rural tourism and sustainable tourism. So people like these will be coming in. So therefore, it's not necessary that we will see some kind of a deal being signed exactly at that moment. It's a process and it's a confidence building. And we felt that when we are doing a project like that, let us call different stakeholders who will play an important role in the development process of the state, not just for tourism, but on all the sectors and the economic front as a whole.
Namar kejingwan jong katamasa Meghalayan Age bat kejing penlong kongsan ya kakam rung krem kum kakam kebekring ginong jong okai perthai hagani katamasa. Kasorkar jela kala shimru ikarai bantau no menta ya ka Cave Protection Board kaban ai jingya da kerpang ya ki krem ke badan haga jela. Bat ban sumaru iki bakin ne kombal penuan dor da kamai mariang. Menteri rang ba ke jela ula pentip ba kasorkar jela kala yo jing tip haga bedai bat ki jingma ki baab iki krem kamtam harilum jantia. Namar ki kamti marpo kendo. Riuong ba ka badan kam menta kalong ya ki pat ba bakin sengutu bagi krem ki deiru kilat kamai jakpo leng ba ka kam jung okai perthai.